What if I told you that there was a way you could start your EV charging business with no money down? In this video, I'll show you two business models that you can use to start making a profit without investing a penny. I've been getting lots of questions from people about what's in my course. So today I wanted to release one of the lessons for you for free. The course covers each specific step on what to do at every point along the way of starting your business. This lesson today covers two creative business models that you can use to start making a profit with zero investment. You don't need any money to start with these two offers. People are already getting really great results from the course, which I'm proud to see, and I'm getting nothing but really positive feedback. So if you want full access to the course, the link's below. But today I'll be giving you this lesson for free. Also in the course, I've included some downloadable PDFs, like a template for your contract that you can use for your business. That includes all the essential terms to protect yourself. Right now, I've released the course for a pretty low price, but it's going to increase with time, so you might want to grab it now. All right, here's the sneak peek. All right, let's just pause for a second here and take a step back. In all the previous lessons leading up to this, I've been recommending that we pay for the chargers so we can keep all the profits that go into them, because that's what we're really after. We want the profits that go into the EV chargers because the growth potential is huge. But this sounds expensive, right? What if we don't have a whole bunch of money to pay for each project? Is there still a way that we can make money from the chargers without paying for everything? Yes, there is. And that's what we're going to talk about in this lesson. How to make a profit from the chargers without paying for them. And this actually might be the best way to start your business with almost zero risk. This is business model number 2. We're going to call this our subscription offer. The process is the same, but our offer is different. We still find our opportunity, schedule the electrician to do the site visit, and send our offer to the client. But now the terms have changed. Instead of us offering to pay for the entire project and receiving all the profits from the chargers, with this offer, our client, the host, pays for the entire project. They pay for the chargers, they pay for the install, and they'll be paying a monthly fee for the software costs. Okay, so how do we make money? 2 ways. We make money from marking up the installation and marking up the monthly software costs. I'll give you an example. Let's say you find a building interested in installing your EV chargers, right? You speak with the host and they ask you for a quote on how much everything will cost. Then you bring your electrician to site and let's say they quote you $5,000 to install an EV charger in this building. Then you take that quote from the electrician and mark it up, let's say 20, 30%, and then send that quote to the client, to the host. For example, if the electrician quoted us $5,000, then we might throw on an extra $2,000 on top of that and send that quote to the client for $7,000. The client then owns the chargers, they paid for everything, and they'll also receive the profits that go into the charger. So we just made $2,000, but we still want to have some recurring revenue every month from the charger, right? And this is where we'll be reselling the software costs to the host every month. And when I say host, I just mean client, whoever our customer is that owns the building that we installed our chargers. And reselling the software to the host every month is what's called the networking fee. And this is super common in the industry. Almost all EV charging companies use this business model in some form. So if we remember back to the previous lessons, the software costs us $25 per month per charger, right? But we're not trying to sell it for $75. We want to make a profit. So we're going to resell it to the host for $100 per month. This means that we make $75 per month guaranteed from the charger, even though we won't be making money from people using the charger. That's business model number 2. The host pays for the chargers, they own them, and they have to take care of them. We're not managing anything or servicing the chargers because the host owns them. They're their chargers. Now, you might be thinking, well, this doesn't sound like a whole lot of money, but you have to remember we started this business with nothing. We put $0 down and we just made $2,000 off the install. And now we're making $75 per month per charger forever. Why this business model is great is because you have no upfront investment, you make quick cash from marking up the install cost, and you have guaranteed recurring revenue from our monthly subscription of the networking fee. But what if there was a way we could get the best of both worlds? Is there a way that we could swing it so we don't pay for the chargers, but we're still able to collect all the profits from them? If you're willing to be creative, then the answer is yes. This is business model number 3, and we're going to call this our peace of mind offer. This is the ideal scenario for your business. All right, there you have a quick sneak peek into one of the lessons in the course. I have no doubt if you take this course, it will separate you from the people that are just trying to figure it out on their own to the ones that have a clear roadmap to success. This is information that I was looking for, but it just wasn't out there. So I had to learn all of these steps on my own through lots of trial and error. This will definitely give you a leg up and save you so much time and energy when you're getting started. You'll start making money way faster than you think, and that will help you keep going and grow it even bigger. Thanks so much for subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.